बिझनेस उद्या ज्याला लेक्चर लागतं In last lecture, I have given this numerical to you and I asked you to see the answers. The t value and a value we have required to find out. Value of t and value of a. Value of t means tension and acceleration we have required to find out. So what is the value of t and a? Kamlapure, roll number 67. What is the value of t and a?
तर टी चं 19.3 आणि ए चं 2.2च आहे.
Okay, correct. So the values, your values and booklet answers are not going to match, but I have a surety that we are correct. Okay, so we will not go again into the details of that. So we will take the next problem. Now read the problem 6.1.4. 6.1.4. Only 25 students join. Let it be. We will not wait for them because time is over. The question is a 50 kilogram wooden block rests on a rough surface whose coefficient of friction is 0.4, means we have required to consider frictional force. Remember this. Whenever they are going to give a coefficient of friction or the word rough word they have used, it means that you are required to consider a frictional force which is opposite to the motion. Determine the acceleration produced due to application of force P to 50 Newton. Determine the velocity of the block after 3 seconds. 3 सेकंड के बाद उसकी वेलोसिटी कितनी होगी? 250 न्यूटन फोर्स अप्लाई किया है. वुडन ब्लॉक का वेट 50 किलोग्राम है. एक्चुअली दे हैव गिवन मास बट वी हैव रिक्वायर्ड टू कन्वर्ट it into a weight. So if you see towards this, one thing it is clear, the problem is very simple. It is on a rough surface, horizontal surface है. 250 न्यूटन फोर्स अप्लाई किया है और कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ फ्रिक्शन 0.4 है. इन वेलोसिटी उन्होंने पूछे है आफ्टर 3 सेकंड. डिटरमाइन द एक्सेलरेशन प्रोड्यूस्ड ड्यू टू एप्लीकेशन ऑफ फोर्स. दिस एक्सेलरेशन एंड वेलोसिटी आफ्टर 3 सेकंड दे हैव आस्क्ड. Now if you understood the question correctly, please draw the diagram. Draw the FBD of that block. Once you have drawn the FBD of the block, I am surety is there. I have surety you can easily solve this problem because problem is very simple. Now here, this is a horizontal surface, wooden block. Now, by application of 250 Newton force on this direction, the block is going to move in this direction. Frictional force should be opposite to the motion, so I will write it as a Fr. Then reaction generated due to the support. Weight they have given 50 kilogram. Mass they have given, so 50 mass into 9.81. That will be the weight. And we have required to consider mass into acceleration opposite to the motion. Mass into acceleration opposite to the motion. So 50 into A. Okay, so this is the FBD. What they have asked to find out in this question: acceleration what and velocity is what after t is equal to 3 seconds. So this is the requirement. Problem is very simple. 3 सेकंड के बाद इधर जितना कितना वेलोसिटी है 20 is 3 seconds. Okay, the problem is really simple. Nothing is there in this numerical. Now you can check it. What is the FR? FR is nothing but mu into R. Mu they have given, coefficient of friction they have given. What is the value of coefficient of friction? 0.4. Correct. So 0.4 into R. Instead of R, can I write W directly? Mu into R. If I do a summation of f of y is equal to 0, R is equal to W. You can check it. R is equal to W. So can I write directly 50 into 9.81. Is it correct or wrong? Now, if I do a summation of f of x is equal to 0, if I do a summation of f of x is equal to 0, first force positive 250 Newton I will consider, then negative 0.4 into 50 into 9.81 minus MA 50 into A is equal to 0. In this complete equation, unknown is only A. In this complete equation, only acceleration is unknown. Can you find out this value of A? Now, after getting this value, how to find out velocity? Which formula? Acceleration, you know that. Acceleration, you know that. Time they have given. Time they have given a 3 seconds. Initial velocity, obviously it is a 0. Because after application of any force, this body is moving. So time you know that, initial velocity you know that, acceleration you know that from this. So you can, which formula you are going to use? V minus U is equal to AT. ये acceleration पता है, time पता है, initial velocity पता है, you can find out the velocity. So find out now. Find it now. सभी के आंसर्स आने चाहिए, सभी ने सॉल्व करना चाहिए. So start to solve this problem. I will give a 5 minutes time to you. Take your own time, but solve it.
तर V 3.21 येतं.
V3
3.21
ऍक्सलेरेशन किती येते?
1.07.
ऍक्सलेरेशन 1.07 ना?
हा सर.
and velocity
3.2.
1.21. Okay, 3.21 meter per second. Please cross check this answer. 3.21 and 1.7 meter per second square meter per second.
सर हॅलो 1.7 करा सर, नाहीतर मग 5.1 येते वेलोसिटी.
नाही पण ऍक्च्युली
1.07.
sorry okay 1.07. Okay, so in this way we have completed this numerical. Those are not completed, please complete it. Very simple numerical. They are going to ask a similar type of questions in the final exams also. And for tomorrow's ISC, हमारे जो ISC है उसी के डीएल लंबर्ट के भी क्वेश्चंस पूछे जाएंगे. रिमेंबर दैट व्हाटएवर द पोर्शन वी हैव कंप्लीटेड, इक्विलिब्रियम के बाद के जो भी क्वेश्चंस है, बीम का आपने लिया था, बाद में ट्रसेस, फ्रिक्शन, देन फर्स्ट चैप्टर ऑफ सेकंड सेक्शन काइनेमेटिक्स and DL Lambert. These many chapters will be there for ISC 2. Anyone is having any question? Our numericals will be asked on the same. कि उनमें से ही numericals पूछे जाएंगे. Questions will not be difficult. Simple questions I am going to ask for the ISC. Trusses के questions simple रहेंगे, beam के questions simple रहेंगे. Okay. If anyone is having any question about the question paper, then you can ask me, sir इतना चैप्टर हमें नहीं होता है, ये चैप्टर डाल दो, तो भी मैं कोशिश करूंगा. But I think so you are going to get some time. आपको टाइम मिलेगा, तो उस टाइम में आप वो कंप्लीट कर लीजिएगा, क्योंकि चैप्टर्स में ज़्यादा मैं ये पूछूंगा नहीं. डिफिकल्ट क्वेश्चंस आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू आस्क. इवन ऑन अ DLM, but I am going to ask the question which I have asked. I have solved similar type of an equation. जो अभी तक हमने सॉल्व किया है ना, उसी टाइप के क्वेश्चंस पूछे जाएंगे. Okay. Now in this way we have completed this numerical. We will take the next numerical. A body weighing 300 Newton on a horizontal table 1.2 meters from the edge is attached by a string to a 30 Newton weight which hangs over the edge. The coefficient of friction between the 300 Newton body and table is 1/16. मीन्स उन्होंने coefficient of friction म्यू दिया है 1/16. So 1/16 कितना आता है देख लीजिए. That is the coefficient of friction. Find the acceleration of system and the time required to fall over the edge. एज पे आने के लिए कितना टाइम लगेगा उन्होंने पूछा है. Okay, so 300 Newton on a horizontal table 1.2 meters from the edge is attached to a attached by a string 30 Newton weight which hangs over the edge. The coefficient of friction they have given 1/16. So try to draw this diagram. FBD आप ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं क्या? प्रॉब्लम इज सिंपल, इट्स नॉट डिफिकल्ट वन. उन्होंने खाली पूछा है कि फाइंड द एक्सेलरेशन ऑफ सिस्टम एंड द टाइम रिक्वायर्ड टू फॉल ओवर द एज. एज कितना है, एज पे फॉल होने के लिए कितना टाइम लगेगा. तो डिस्टेंस भी दिया है ना उन्होंने, 1.2 मीटर डिस्टेंस दिया है. एक्सेलरेशन पता है, इनिशियल वेलोसिटी पता है. जस्ट सिमिलर टू दिस, u स्क्वायर माइनस u स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू ट्वाइस एस. उसमें से आपको टाइम पूछा ना सर, v माइनस u इज इक्वल टू 80. और उन्होंने क्या पूछा है, फाइनल वेलोसिटी तो हमको पता नहीं है, तो फाइनल वेलोसिटी का फॉर्मूला हम यूज नहीं कर सकते. एस इज इक्वल टू यूटी प्लस 1/2 एटी स्क्वायर से हम टाइम फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं. एंड एक्सेलरेशन फाइंड आउट करना तो बहुत ही सिंपल है, अभी मैंने आपको बताया है. ओके, ट्राई टू सॉल्व दिस प्रॉब्लम. here I will draw this diagram. एक 300 न्यूटन की बॉडी है, weight is a 300 Newton. It is connected. Right. 30 न्यूटन के बॉडी के लिए अटैच है. So 30 Newton. This is a 300 Newton. This is connected by string tension. This distance is a 1.2 meter. So I will write this distance is a 1.2 meter. Up to edge it is a 1.2 meter. Now I will draw the FBD of this two diagram. इसके और इसके FBD में draw कर लेता हूँ. So I will draw the first FBD here. Weight 300 Newton. Reaction. Coefficient of friction FR. FR is equal to mu into R. 1/16 into 300. Clear? And tension. Clear? This is the tension. Now, if it is moving in this direction, mass into acceleration should be in opposite to the motion. Mass into acceleration. I'll write here mass into acceleration. Mass is they have given weight, so 300 divided by 9.81 into A. Now you can check it. Unknown is A and T here. Both are unknown. इसकी FBD हमने ड्रॉ कर ली. 30 न्यूटन की भी FBD मैं इधर ड्रॉ कर लेता हूँ. 30 Newton in the tension in upward direction, weight in a downward direction. Body is moving in a downward direction. If it is moving in this direction, body is moving 30 Newton. Body is moving in a downward direction, so that mass into acceleration should be in upward direction. So mass into acceleration. So mass is 30 divided by 9.81 into acceleration. You can check it. Acceleration tension is unknown. Here also acceleration and tension is unknown. Now it's your responsibility that how to solve this problem. आपको summation of f of y is equal to 0 इसका एक बनाना पड़ेगा और summation of f of y is equal to 0 इसका बनाना पड़ेगा. So I will write here summation of f of y is equal to 0 t plus 30 divided by 9.81 into a minus 30 is equal to 0. This is the first equation. And इसका equation मैं बनाता हूँ इधर. So in this direction positive. So t minus 1/16 into 300 frictional force minus m into a minus 300 divided by 9.81 into a is equal to 0. Am I right? So this is the second equation. Two equation, two unknown. Equation 1 T and A unknown. Equation 2 T and A unknown. Find out a tension and then acceleration with the help of calculator. Once you have got the tension and acceleration, use formula S is equal to ut plus 1/2 at square. Initial velocity is 0. S is 1.2. 1/2 acceleration आपको इधर मिल जाएगा into t square. ये t हमको find out करना है, a की वैल्यू पता है, so find out the time from that equation. Okay, so try to solve this problem. If anyone is having any question, you can ask me. If you are not understood, please ask me. Is that anyone has found the answer? Draw
Yes,
a
sir.
complete diagram and find out the answer. Chetan,
Yes, sir.
okay, what is the value of T and what is the value of A?
T value 28.97,
Okay,
H
A,
value 0.33,
correct.
and T value 2.69.
Okay, okay. So again repeat it. T is equal to how much is tension?
28.97.
Okay, I will write just a 28 Newton. The acceleration 0.33, no?
Yes,
Meter per second square, and T value which is going to come here, it is how much?
2.69.
2.69. Okay, 2.69. Correct. Answers are correct. Please cross check this answers. सभी ने ये आंसर्स क्रॉस चेक करने चाहिए. Everyone should require to cross check these answers. If anyone is having any issue, any problem, please ask me. The next problem already I have read it. मैंने वो जो 1.6 का प्रॉब्लम जो मैंने रीड किया है, actually this problem is not related to our syllabus because this time we have removed the circular motion part, and this is related to a circular motion, rotation के related problem है. So this problem will not be asked in the exam also. So we will not take this because circular motion problems they have said that you are not going to ask the questions. 20% में वो remove कर दिया है हमने. So we will not take 6.1.6 numerical. Now we will take 6.1.7. Or if we will get somewhat time, then we will complete this question 6.1.6. But remember that meanwhile we will complete all the other numericals and afterwards we will go towards that. Okay. So now next one is the 6.1.7. So read the problem. Those are completed. Two bodies of weight 60 Newton and 40 Newton are connected to the two ends of light extensible string. The string is passing over a smooth pulley. Determine acceleration of the system and tension in the string. Very simple question. Two bodies, a 60 Newton and 40 Newton, are connected to the two ends of a light extensible string. In extensible, already I have mentioned that the string in whose or the string where only one tension exists, such types of a string is called as an inextensible string. So the word is very important here. The string is passing over a smooth pulley. Smooth meaning there is no friction is generated. So there is a complete only one string is there we can consider. Determine acceleration of the system and tension in the string. I think so this problem you might have completed. So I will erase this and I will draw the next diagram. This is a pulley. One is a 60 Newton body and another one is a 40 Newton body. Right. So this is a 60 Newton body and this is a 40 Newton body and this is a pulley. Okay. Now I know that this is only one string is there. So only one tension exists here. And body is going to move in this direction because 60 Newton weight is more than 40 Newton weight. 60 न्यूटन का जो वेट है वो 40 न्यूटन से ज्यादा है, तो मोशन विल बी ऑकरिंग इन दिस डायरेक्शन. सो मोशन इज गोइंग टू ऑकर इन दिस डायरेक्शन. Okay. Now if it is moving in this direction, it will move in upward direction. So I will draw the FBD of this. First I will draw the FBD of 60 Newton. Tension, weight 60 Newton. Now this 60 Newton is moving in a downward direction, so that mass into acceleration is moving in upward direction. Mass into acceleration. Newton they have given, weight they have given, so 60 divided by 9.81 into A. So this is the FBD of a 60 Newton body. Similarly, I will draw the FBD of 40 Newton. Weight should be acting in a downward direction. Tension will be in upward direction. Now this body is going to move in upward direction. Remember that if it is moving in a downward, it is moving in upward direction. So that mass into acceleration, this should be in a downward direction. Mass is how much? 40 divided by 9.81 into acceleration. Okay. So now further part, I don't feel that it is required to explain. Just take summation of f of y is equal to 0 for this. So t plus 60 divided by 9.81 into a minus 60 is equal to 0. This is the first equation. And second equation, summation of f of y is equal to 0. T minus 40 divided by 9.81 into a is equal to 0. Two equation, two unknown. Simplest problem. Try to solve this now. Completed this numerical.
T 47.99. And A
T
is equal to 1.96.
correct. T is equal to 47 and A is equal to 1.9. So value of T 47 and A is equal to 1.9. Please check it.
सर टी 48 येतं.
Okay, 47.96 or 48, no problem. 48 also if it is going to come, no problem. So please cross check this answer. Everyone should require to cross check this answer. Everyone should require to cross check this answer. Okay, now we'll take the next problem. A body weighing 1200 Newton, 6.1.8 question. A body weighing 1200 Newton rests on a rough plane inclined at a 12 degree to the horizontal. डायग्राम में वो दिखाया है, वो कोई इशू नहीं है, जितना भी लिखा है वो डायग्राम में है. It is pulled up the plane by means of light rope running parallel to the plane and passing over a light frictionless pulley at the top of the plane as shown in a figure. The portion of the rope beyond the pulley hangs vertically down and carries a weight 800 newtons. Everything is diagrammatically explained. It's not required to read also because each and everything what they have mentioned, they are in a diagram. It is in a diagram. The coefficient of friction they have not mentioned in the diagram, but it is written there. It is a 0.2. Find tension in the rope, acceleration with which body moves up the plane, and the distance moved by the body 3 seconds after starting from the rest. So similar type of a problem we have solved previously. Similar type of a problem. So try to draw. I will give a 1 minute time to you. Try to draw the FBD, just the FBD draw it. I am going to solve this problem. Don't worry, but here you are making mistake that you have required to understand. So first draw the FBD, draw the complete diagram, then draw the FBD and try to solve this problem. Tension, acceleration, and they have asked to a displacement after 3 seconds. So it's very simple problem again. So complete it. I will give 1 or 2 minutes time to you. So it is your responsibility to draw the complete diagram. Then FBD, generate 2 equations, find out T and A, apply S is equal to UT plus 1/2 AT square equation, or V square minus U square is equal to twice AS equation, and complete this problem. Okay, so start it now. Okay, I will try to solve this now. आपको मैंने I have given a time to you. Very simple question again. Such types of problem we have solved previously also. Still, to get a confidence in this chapter again, we are going to solve this numerical. Weight is 1200 Newton. This is 800. In which direction it is moving, still we don't know. हमको पता नहीं है, फिर भी हम किसी भी दिशा से देखा जाए तो हम चेक कर लेंगे. एंगल इज 12 डिग्री. Angle is 12 degree. Now we'll draw the FBD of this first. 1200 न्यूटन की FBD ड्रा करो. टेंशन, clear. Tension, then reaction force is perpendicular to the surface. Then I think so it is not feasible, no? I will take here. I will take this diagram here so that it will be visible to you. Tension, then reaction force. The frictional force is that they are asked to consider. Yes, they have considered coefficient of friction they have given. In which direction it is moving? To calculate this, first we have to draw this diagram. Please see here. Weight is acting downward. How much? It is 1200 Newton. अब इसके दो कंपोनेंट होंगे. One is horizontal. So it will be 1200 cos 90 minus 12. Already I have mentioned this. How it is going to 78. So I will write here 78. This angle is a 78 degree, and this is a horizontal component. And a vertical component 1200 sin 78. Okay. Now find out the value of 1200 cos 78. वो कितनी आती है? One two zero zero cos 78.
49.4. 249.
हाँ 249.4. Okay. So 249. इधर जो खींचने वाला जो फोर्स है वो कितना है? 249 है. पीछे को देख लीजिए ना. This component is allowing this body by moving in a downward direction by 249 Newton. But actually here force is exerted how much? 800 Newton. So I knew it now. The 800 Newton body is going to move in downward direction, and this is moving in upward direction. Remember this. This is going to move in upward direction. Clear? So if it is moving in upward direction, the frictional force should require to consider opposite to the motion, and this should be in this way. So Fr is equal to mu into R. Fr they have given 0.2, and reaction is 1200 sin 78 into reaction 1200 sin 78. And mass into acceleration force we have required to consider opposite to the motion. So here I will write here by dotted line mass into acceleration, and mass is how much? 1200 divided by 9.81 into acceleration. Into acceleration. Anything we have missed? No, everything it is there on a board. Now similarly, I will draw the FBD of this 800 Newton. 800 is in downward direction. Tension is in upward direction. Now you can check it. Body is moving in a downward direction. So mass into acceleration should be in upward direction. Mass into acceleration. Mass we have required to convert it into A. Okay. So W divided by 9.81, it is mass into A. Now construct one equation of this T plus 800 divided by 9.81 into A minus 800 is equal to 0. Minus it is equal to 0. Is it visible? Correct. Somewhat part is not visible. So consider this is the one equation, and second equation I will write here. Along the plane I am writing a, so T first force, second force minus 1200 cos 78, second force, third force minus 0.2 into 1200 sin 78. Is it visible? Okay, I will write here below, or I will write this equation here because I think so you are not visible for this side. So I will write this equation T minus 1200 cos 78 minus 0.2 into 200, sorry, 1200 sin 78 minus MA, it is 1200 divided by 9.81 into A is equal to 0. Equation 2 and equation 1 unknown are 2. Equation 1 में जो unknown है वही equation 2 में unknown है. Find out tension and acceleration now. Find it now. Hello. What is the value?
येस सर, टी इज इक्वल टू 673.69 आणि ए इक्वल टू 1.548.
Correct. T is equal to 673 and A is equal to 1 point, no?
1.5.
Okay, 1.5. So these two values we are correct here. Now what they have asked to find out, please check it. The last thing they have asked, the distance moved by body 3 seconds after starting from rest. So initial velocity is 0. I know that starting from rest means initial velocity is 0. Distance traveled they have asked here. So if you square, we can't use this formula because final velocity we don't know. S is equal to ut plus 1/2 at square. Initial velocity 0. S is equal to 1/2 acceleration की value 1.5. Time they have given 3 seconds. So yes, you are going to get here. So find out the value of yes. 6.9. Correct. 6.9.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So in this way, we have completed this numerical. If anyone is having any question, please ask me. Anyone is having any question? So can I take a next problem? Pranali, roll number 9.
Sir,
Have you got the answer?
yes.
They are correct. Is that they are matching with our answer?
Sir, ES is equal to 6.5 वाले.
6.5. Okay, no problem. 6.9 and 6.5, there is no big difference. You are also correct. We don't have any issue related to this. Okay, if anyone is having any issue, you can ask me now. Otherwise, we'll take next problem because last 5 minutes left. I will just explain this problem to you. You are required to complete. So a pulley of weight 500 Newton has a radius. Next question is 6.1.9. A pulley of weight 500 Newton has a radius of 0.5 meter. A block of weight 750 Newton is suspended by a tight rope wound around the pulley, the other end being attached to the pulley. Determine the resulting acceleration of the weight and tension in the rope. Okay, so a pulley of weight 500. Here, pulley of weight they have given. This question is also not for a syllabus. The reason I will tell that this is also in this problem also we are required to consider a circular motion. So this type of a problem we will solve after the completion of all other numericals. Okay, so remember 6.1.9, 6.1.6, just you can make a tick mark to this. Once we have completed other numericals, we will go towards these numericals. Okay, so next problem is a lift has an upward acceleration of 1 meter per second square. What pressure will man weighing 650 Newton exert on the floor of this lift? First problem in this chapter we have solved just like this. यही problem हमने solve किया है. So I will not give the explanation. You required to solve this problem as a homework. Now what pressure would be exert if the had an acceleration of 1 meter per second square? Something is wrong in this equation. Just they have said that if acceleration 1 meter per second square in a downward direction, what is the pressure exerted? Okay. What upward acceleration would cause the man exert a pressure of 800 Newton on the floor? Means upward दिशा से जा रहा है तो पर्सन ने कितना फोर्स एक्सर्ट किया है, और डाउनवर्ड दिशा से जा रहा है तो उन्होंने कितना फोर्स एक्सर्ट किया है. दिस वे दे हैव आस्क्ड द क्वेश्चन इज सिंपल. जस्ट रेफर द फर्स्ट प्रॉब्लम ऑफ द चैप्टर. Okay, just refer the first numerical of the chapter and complete this problem. Tomorrow I am going to ask the questions on this. Okay, so in this way we'll stop today here itself, because another numericals to solve another numerical 6.1.11, another 10 to 15 minutes are required. So we'll stop here and we will see these numericals in next lecture. So there are lot of numericals are there, but you have required to complete some of the numerical as a homework numerical, or you have required to do a prior study of the numerical, so that we can do or we can complete our second chapter in second section as early as possible. Okay, so we'll stop here for today's session. Only one problem I have given to you for homework, please complete it. Okay, if anyone is having any question, any doubt, you can ask me, otherwise we'll stop here. Okay, thank you. We will see in the next lecture remaining problem. Thank you very much.